Sarah and the Layered Map. Sarah loved maps more than anything, not just old, crinkly paper maps, but maps of every kind. She imagined all the adventures hidden within their lines and colors, from the bustling streets of big cities to the quiet shores of distant islands. One sunny afternoon, while exploring her grandpa's dusty attic, Sarah stumbled upon a peculiar map. It was old, with faded edges, but strangely, it was completely blank. A map to nowhere, she wondered. Sarah showed the blank map to Professor Munir, a kind and clever old scientist who lived next door. Professor Munir smiled. "Ah, Sarah," he said, "this isn't just any blank map. This is like a GIS map." GIS stands for Geographic Information System, Professor Munir explained. It's like a super smart digital map that can hold many, many layers of information, all stacked on top of each other, just like a delicious layered cake. With a twinkle in his eye, Professor Munir touched the blank map. Instantly, a shimmering blue layer appeared. This layer shows all the rivers and lakes, like the mighty Amazon or the serene Great Lakes, he announced. Sarah gasped. And now, a green layer for all the lush forests and national parks, Professor Munir added. Then came brown lines for roads and tiny squares for buildings, from cozy cottages to modern skyscrapers. The map was coming alive, piece by piece. Each layer tells us something different about the same place, Professor Munir said. We can turn layers on and off, or combine them to see a complete picture of the world. Sarah had an idea. Could we find the best spot for a new community garden? She asked. We'd need a sunny spot, near a water source, and not too far from people's homes. Professor Munir smiled. Exactly. We can use the sunlight layer, the water layer, and the population layer to find the perfect place. GIS helps us make smart decisions, whether it's for a garden or planning new towns. Sarah realized that GIS wasn't just about maps. It was about understanding the world in a whole new way. With her GIS map, every adventure now had 1,000 more possibilities ready to be explored.